Oh jeez, didn't notice you guys because I was too caught up in this piece of digital crap. Ah! Get that off me. Yeah, that's what you want to be doing with your phone. The good thing that isn't actually a phone because I'd be crying if it cost too much. But anyway guys, on with the video. Digital addiction. A plague that affects me and I'm sure many of you too. Digital addiction, in my opinion, is the number one cause for me procrastinating, being unproductive, not getting the things that I need to be doing done. I have my English essays say, we have my study that I need to do, even these YouTube videos I need to produce, my essential reading so that I can get better in life, make it further, make all that money. No, the digital addiction is too strong for me. I go on my phone, I open social media, you think it's innocent, you're replying to a friend on Snapchat, you're replying to a funny meme that you were sent on Instagram. But before you know it, you're sucked into the trap. The drug dealer's giving you the bit of heroin, the bit of cocaine. You are too linked in. You're stuck, guys. You can't pull out. They've got you caught in the honey trap. And then the next thing you know, you're on YouTube. Star Wars theory videos. They're good. All these other videos, you're just watching random stuff. You're like, how did I even end up watching like a little baby bot video? Stuff like that. Useless things that are of no significance or value to yourself. And you're honestly wondering, how did I get here? What am I doing here? Meanwhile, your actual task you're supposed to do that day, it's been pushed on another day, and you're getting a bit more stressed because you have to do it another day. You're getting a bit tighter and tighter, closer to the deadline because of this digital cocaine, this evil piece of technology that's designed to just suck your soul away. That's what it feels like when you're spending all these hours on it. The brain gets a bit dull, you're just less receptive. And when I'm out with my friends even, and I assume it affects them too, you sit down or you're waiting in a line, you have something, you're not doing anything. Instead of just being a normal human being, looking around, maybe observing what's happening, having a chat with someone, get to know someone, maybe they might be important, you might gain something out of it. You just go. On buses, everything, when people aren't doing anything, and these days they are unable to sit there and just observe life, just be at one with themselves, just be able to sit where they are. They feel too uncomfortable, they have that urge, that itch, they have to take it out and use it. It's too strong. I feel it too, guys, but I'm fighting that urge. I don't want this to rule my life. The phone is meant to be a tool for us. We're not meant to be a tool for the phone. And that's kind of how it's turning. All these corporations, they're making their products more and more tuned with our minds. So just the notification bell, our brain's like, oh, dopamine. Watch that next YouTube video. Oh, dopamine. It's getting easier and easier to get sucked into the trap. But I've given you the problem, guys, and I'm not just going to give you the problem and have you suffer from it. I'm going to give you a solution. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you, boys. What have I been doing recently to combat this problem, this plague? Number one thing that I find has really helped me during the day is I don't use it at the start of the morning. I get up at 6 a.m. as you guys know very well. I get my phone that previous night. It's not beside my bed, it's not charging there, because when you wake up, I'm like, oh, I need to do my plank, I need to do my meditation, I need to go for my run. But if you were a junkie and you had like heroin or cocaine like on your table over there, when you wake up every morning, what are you most likely going to do? You're going to go. That's what will happen. You won't be able to resist it. I've been able to resist it once or twice, but if it's just right beside your bed, the first thing when you wake up, the first thing you'll most likely do is go on the goddamn thing. And to make it, you gotta just make your environment easier for yourself, guys. So get that phone the night before, an hour before you're going to sleep. We don't want to be using it before we go to sleep, because then we go down the rabbit hole as well before, and then we get no sleep at all, and that's bad. So we get the phone, just charge it downstairs. Just in the furthest room away from your bedroom, just charge it downstairs. That's what I do. Charge it away from me, so I can get up in the morning. I still feel the urge. This morning, I woke up, I reached over to use my phone because I thought it would be there. It's been so ingrained into me to use it in the morning that I did that. But luckily there was nothing there as my Kindle. So I just went on my normal morning routine, and I read in the morning, and I feel amazing. I gained some extra knowledge from the great books that are out there. So we put the phone downstairs. That's one thing we can do. Another thing that you can do, guys, is just don't use the phone till 12 p.m. That's another thing that I'm trying to do. Well, in my case, it's don't use the phone till I get to school, because it messes with my mind. So I leave the phone downstairs. I have it on airplane mode. If I really need to check something, I'll look, because I have my task management program on my phone. I'll look at it and then I'll leave it where it is, charging downstairs, and go back upstairs to my room and continue my study. That's another thing, guys. Have your phone on airplane mode when you're studying. So have it downstairs, even if you go by it and you're tempted to use it, because you'll click on it and you'll be like, look, notifications from this person, notifications from that. You'll be more tempted to use it. If your phone's on airplane mode when you're leaving it there and you're not using it, there's going to be no notifications on it, guys. Simple as that. And yeah, delete all that social media crap off your phone, guys. You don't need it. I've recently deleted Snapchat. I would delete Instagram, but I have to use my account for this YouTube channel. I don't use my normal Instagram account anymore. My personal one's gone. I don't use it anymore. Yeah, if you want to contact me, it has to be done email, WhatsApp, text message. If they're going to be sending you a message on that, it's more likely going to be genuine. It's going to be more useful to you than random crap that they send you on Snapchat and stuff like that. You don't want that to be wasting your time. You're more important. You have better things to be doing. And let me think. Anything else that I should be giving you? Yeah, that one. You can put grayscale on your phone. That's recently something I've been doing. So basically, it gets rid of all the color on your phone. It makes your phone black and white. I would go through the steps, but I can't really do it off the top of my head at the moment. So just look it up, guys. It'll turn your phone black and white, and it will take the joy out of using your phone. You will feel the urge to turn it to color. It's black and white, so boring. It's not as enjoyable using the phone. It hurts almost. But by making your phone a less enjoyable experience of using, you're less likely to waste all this time on it. So they're the things you need to do if you don't want to be ending up like my precious for the phone. Well, anyway, guys, if you liked the video, hit that like button, but not on your phone, because we don't want you doing that. And hit the subscribe button. Get someone else to do it, because we're not going to be addicts anymore.